Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming OTG is enabled and your host supports USB-C OTG. This matters because power and protocol must match. Once done, attach the USB-C OTG adapter to the card reader, then insert the SD or micro SD card firmly so contacts align. Make sure your device has sufficient battery or is plugged in to avoid mid-transfer interruptions. Backing up existing data prevents accidental loss and makes subsequent steps reversible. You now access the mounted card through the system prompt or your file manager. This lets the host negotiate read/write permissions. Once visible, decide whether to copy, move, or format. Pick XFAT for large files, FAT32 for wide device compatibility. When writing, transfer in small batches and monitor progress bars to avoid buffer overruns. Verifying file sizes or opening a sample file right away confirms success. If using specialized apps, backup, or image writers, grant storage permissions when prompted so writes complete cleanly. You finish by safely ejecting or unmounting the card reader from the device. This flushes caches and prevents corruption. Once unmounted, remove the card and adapter, then test files on the target device to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, first retry with a different cable or reader to isolate hardware faults, then check the card lock switch and run a quick file system check or reformat after backing up. This sequence narrows down whether the issue is software, file system, or hardware related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.